Hi, good morning. This is Cody Henriksen, and today we're going to be talking about what we need to do to make a GitHub Classroom assignment get turned in. So we're going to go ahead and go look at the process of this and also go over some quick notes for it. The first thing we have is the project process itself. This is regardless of whatever language you're working with, whether this is Java, this is Swift, C++, database, whatever, as long as we're using GitHub Classroom, this is the process you're going to work to do all this. The first thing we do is we want to make your project. So it's its own special folder for it. So if you're using Xcode or Eclipse, that's automatically part of making the project itself. We're good to go. And then again, just like normal, we create our own private repo that we do all our work and we repeatedly work on and get that ready to go. You publish that repo because again, it has to be on the internet if you want to be able to actually retrieve this and work on it at home or do something cool with it later on. You update your project and repeat again and commit again, repeat this process again over and over and over. Not quite ad nauseum because I don't want you throwing up, but you want to repeat this process until you get it done. Again, before you're finished, you want to make sure your project matches the specifications, aka you look at the rubric, you see what you're supposed to be doing to get that project turned in, because we want you to get 100% all the time, but even if you don't get 100%, you want to at least know what, hey, this is what my grade is, this is what I'm getting on this assignment, I know why I've got this assignment score and why it's getting there. Once you've got that point taken care of, the next step you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your GitHub Classroom link from your Canvas assignment, and that's just a lovely little URL. You'll click on that, grab that link. So that's the first thing you have to do to get to that point. Once we get to that point, once we've got that URL, we want to go ahead and make sure we're signing to GitHub on the browser. If you haven't already signed in, sign right on in. Then you want to go ahead and click on accept that assignment and select your name from the class list. You have to actually turn it in to your link, not just some random person. And if you do that, we don't need to have me glaring at you. That would not be cool. You want to go ahead and open up Terminal, and if for some reason you're on a Windows box, that would of course be the same thing as opening up your command line. But yeah, Terminal is what we're working with. You then want to change to the directory of your project, and you want to change the origin of your GitHub's repo. So that's where we're going to browse to that directory and update it so it's going to say, hey, your origin is no longer your regular repo up on the internet that you're saving to for your personal stuff. Rather, at this point, you're changing the origin of your assignment from that repo right there. You're going to push it now to this new origin right here, my project, so you can turn it into me so I can grade it and get access to it. You'll notice on that URL, you can see on the screen right now, it's git space remote space set URL space origin space https://github.com/code@ctech/ then project name github username.git. So this is where you're going to be putting that in from your stuff. So the project name -github username, so the project name is whatever I give the name of it, and then -github username, that's your name. Oh, and that's how you're going to be putting that, so it's going to put it all right there so I can easily get it right there from it. You're then going to choose the option to push new origin with the git push -u space origin space master, and press enter on that. It should give you a little bit of a message, not much, but yeah, get a screenshot of that saying, hey, it's been confirmed, you're good to go, and that's what you'll be turning in for all of your GitHub Classroom-based assignments. And that's all you have to do to make that set up. So here we have that same process right here, the same process for turning that in GitHub Classroom. You finish your project, you open up Terminal, you change your project's directory. Again, we use the cd command for that. CD directory name would just be for the direct thing for it. We have a couple examples right here of cd:/document/dev/swift/mycoolapp, because that'll take you to the cool app you made in Swift. Or cd:/document/dev/java/myfirstjava app. Oh yeah, great. Turn in your Java project, whatever it happens to be. So you're getting to that directory where the repository itself has the .git subfolder, and everything is inside that. Then you type into that, once you're at that directory, you type git remote space set URL, and then the URL that has assigned for that assignment, which will be right there on the assignment as well. This is just whatever that class name is, .git. Because again, you're giving it right there, like, hey, here's what that assignment is. That'll be posted on every single URL classroom, so you can grab that right there. And you just grab it right there from the GitHub link assignment. And then you type in git space push space -u space origin space master, where you're going to push the origin to that new one. And then you're good to go. And again, that's the process we have right there. You have your cute little OctoKitty to remind you how to do this. All these assignments are also available right side in Canvas, so you can grab that and review that anytime you need to. We'll have some practice quizzes on this to help you go through this and do this on a regular basis. But thanks again and have a great day. We'll have this ready for you as soon as you get to class. Cheers.